Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to turn off marketing emails on Webtoon application. If you are receiving promotional or marketing emails from Webtoon and want to stop them, you can do so easily and quickly. Launch open the Webtoon app on your mobile device or your tablets, and once you're inside the home page after logging in, go to the My button at the bottom right corner. From the My menu, go to the three dots at the top right, and you'll see this More menu where you need to click on Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and look for the Marketing Emails option. Toggle off the button right next to it, and you'll be able to turn off marketing emails from the platform. You may still receive important account or security emails, but the right process on doing so is this one. This helps keep your inbox clean while still receiving important account updates. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.